We would like the CBSE to know that we want you not to succumb to government pressure. We want to request you. We want CBSE education. 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 ZTO education! ZTO officials! ZTO officials! ZTO officials!
प्रोग्राम मंगा नहीं आपकी को नहीं हम लोग चलो आप लोग अंदर इधर से हम लोग अंदर नहीं जाएगा जिनको मिल लीजिए हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं जिनको मिल लीजिए
Do not go home. No scattered around. You stay together in group. Go to the slogan again. CBSE! We have to say CBSE stand for our rights. No CBSE, no rest. Our education, our rights. ZTO officials revoke suspension. Let's start again. CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
CBSE stand for our rights. CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
Let's all stand together. CBSE stand for our rights. CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
CBSE!
Stand for our rights!
ZTO officials!
Revoke suspension!
ZTO officials!
Revoke suspension!
ZTO officials!
Revoke suspension!
Now we will start. We will demand our rights for education. We demand!
Our right for education!
We demand!
Our right for education!
We demand!
Our rights for education!
CBSE! 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 No CBSE! No CBSE! No CBSE! ZTO officials!
justice. We are demanding educational justice. Please. Okay, accidents can happen. This is just falling down for a cause. That's not him. People die for a cause. I just fell down. No CBSE! No CBSE! Yesterday, 3 schools in Meitei were targeted and burned down. Earlier, in the past months, we had documents, educational documents burned down, burnt, and now, just on the eve of the board exams, we have the CBSE affiliation taken away, something that we have achieved lawfully. And those 3 ZEO officials were suspended. And this is all a ploy, a systematic plan by the Meitei government to keep us from getting education, manipulating our marks, manipulating our scores. We won! Manipur government! We won! Now I requested the students. Can you hear, all of you? No throwing anything. Don't throw anything. Don't throw anything. Don't throw anything, students. Please be with me. Those who are seated there, please come. Let us raise our voices against injustice. We have to do something. We have to stand up for it. Literally. Let us gather here. Let your voices be heard. Do not be silent. Do not keep quiet. Success is never achieved by sitting down. Success is achieved by people who stand up and fight for their rights. Are you ready to burn? Are we ready to shut down? Let's shout! Let's scream! Till our voices are heard! Give us back our recognition! Give us justice! We want education! We want education!
Hello. Don't show your play card. Kuiman play card to set hangi wo. Tu ni memorial sampai diuhin. Display ka yung diuhin. Kuiman play card henlang isakai, mall henlang gohi lang lay. Kuiman sepal. Setalaw di kuiman sa tahiw. Kuiman sa tahiw. Bon tawin play card hon tawin tim lang setalaw di. Setalaw di oh. Setalaw di.
No justice! I requested the student not to throw anything. I want the student to maintain harmony. Don't throw your play card. Please listen. Listen, students. Kindly hold on to your placards. Please do not throw. Do not play with your placards. It is a behavior that will not be. Please hold on to your. We will not move on. We will demand Meitei. We want our education. We demand our education. We want our freedom from educational injustices.
Calm down, please. Calm down.
We shall overcome. We will defeat the system. We will raise our voices. We want justice. Come on, Meitei, Meitei, come on, come on. We want justice. We want justice. Come on, raise your voices. We want educational justice. We demand educational justice. We will not let our schools be burned anymore.
Hello, my dear students. Please stand up. Please keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet.
We will stop a system that manipulates us.
Please keep quiet, keep quiet.
To the gate for the submission of the my dear students, my dear boys and girls, please maintain silence, maintain discipline.
ಈ protest na
The march is over also. Please simply do not disturb it on the road or the roadside.
organize a peaceful protest. Will be in contact. Will meet on the come slowly.
So let's go.
I have received the memorandum submitted by joint student body along with the school principals. I will be forwarding it to the concerned authorities to take action. I want to appreciate JSB for conducting a peaceful protest, and I will request all of you to disperse peacefully as per the instructions from the JSB. As your leaders have come to me, we will peacefully try to resolve the issue. I have got the problems and I will try my best from my side. Okay, thank you. Okay. I also got information about about ZDO ka suspension, I will try to take the memorandum to the higher authorities. I will try level best from my side. I cannot do this from my capacity, but with coordination with all of us, we will try to take action as soon as possible. Please disperse peacefully. Thank you.
And lastly, with the memorandum submitted, I want to thank all the children who are here today that are accompanying teachers, head of schools, and everyone else here. Thank you for taking the time out for this very meaningful, purposeful, and important march.